Current Fair March 2025. Where did the intense firing occur targeting the Quetta-Peshawar train carrying 500 passengers on March 11, 2025? Near Quetta, near Bolan, near Peshawar. The correct answer: one district intense firing was occurred on the Quetta-Peshawar train. Who wins the ICC Champion Trophy 2025? New Zealand, India, Australia. The correct answer: won the ICC Champion Trophy 2025 and its match was held in Dubai International Cricket Stadium. How many times India wins the ICC Champion Trophy? Very important question. India wins three the ICC Champion Trophy, including 2025. When was Karakoram Highway blocked in Lothar area, Khoisan due to landslide? The correct answer: Monday, March 10, 2025, Khoisan, near Khoisan, Lothar area, KKH या Karakoram Highway was blocked due to landslide. Who is the current leader of Syria March 2025? The correct answer: Abdul Sahara was the current leader of Syria the day March 2025. How much amount of Sindh allocate continuous subsidy to green bus fare? The correct answer: 1 billion. 1 billion amount has been spent on green bus fares by Sindh government. Who is Canadian Prime Minister? The correct answer: just was the Canadian Prime Minister. And Balochistan Chief Minister Sarfraz Bhatti inaugurates which scheme? Taxi scheme, home solar scheme, या आसान कर्जा scheme? ये none of these. The correct answer: CM Balochistan Chief Minister Sarfraz Bhatti take the initiative of home solar system inauguration. Thank you.